Welcome to the tutorial. First you open Audacity. Then what you want to do is to record your sound. A little tip before you record it. Try whispering it. I'm gonna say I wanna play a game. Like Jigsaw does it. When you're done with that, go and select all. Then go change pitch, change it to minus 31, no 33, and then change it from E to from B to E. When you're done with that, go change speed and select it to -3. When you're done with that, you're finished. Bye, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.